Unlock global sales by making international payments a breeze with Wise on your WordPress website. First, let's find the easiest way to add Wise to your checkout. We'll head to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Wise Payments and look for a reputable plugin designed for Wise integration. Many plugins simplify this process, so choose one with good reviews and recent updates. Once you found it, click Install Now. After installation, you'll see an Activate button. Click that to enable the Wise payment gateway on your site. Now, we need to configure the plugin. If you're using WooCommerce, go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and click on the Payments tab. You should see Wise listed as a payment option. Click on the Wise payment option to access its settings here. You'll typically need to enter your Wise API keys or connect your Wise account. Directly follow the plugin's on-screen instructions carefully to do this. This step is crucial for connecting your website to your Wise account. Allowing it to process transactions, make sure you've correctly obtained your API keys from your Wise business account if required. You'll likely have options to enable Wise and perhaps set it as a default payment method. Ensure it's toggled to on so your customers can see it. With the plugin activated and configured, Wise will now appear as a payment option on your website's checkout page, allowing customers to pay in their local currency and simplifying international transactions for your business.